kind of got to bend these tabs very carefully here. Slap that in there. 2 fuses in, you guys could see. All right, just got out of the gym, trying to get these gains right here, and we're out on this beautiful night, taking the SI for a rip. It is 76 degrees, no humidity. Let's go have some fun. God, did I miss driving this car? Got some G-Eazy blasting. Dude, this thing crackles so aggressively. Oh, is that an FG? Bro, that might be an FG right there. He's got a big wing on it. I don't know if it's an FG2 though. I think it's got SI wheels on it. Can't wait till I get a garage for this thing. All right, thank you. Thank you, school bus. I really appreciate it. Yeah, rev match, baby. Look at that smooth rev match. Oh yeah. I was a little rusty when I got back into this thing. I was like jerking the clutch and stuff. I'm like, dude, I almost forgot how to drive standard for a second. And then coming from a truck into this car was just like a huge transition, guys. It's so small. This thing feels so low to the ground because I literally been trucking for a month in a big rig, and then you come into this thing, it's like a freaking, it's like a go-kart. I've been getting a lot of questions like, what kind of car, what's next? What kind of car am I gonna buy next? You know, when I start making good money. It's up in the air right now, but I do want to hold on to this thing. You know, there's days where I'm like, oh, maybe I'll sell it to somebody who really appreciates it. Then it's like, dude, all the stuff I did to this car, like, this car is great to me. So I don't know what's gonna be next, guys, but I would like to add another project car to the channel. So if you guys have any recommendations, drop them down below. I don't know if I want another Honda. Like a Type R would be sick, but I don't know, if I boosted this thing, it would just be insane. I don't really feel like spending like 50 G's plus, you know? You guys are gonna laugh, I don't care. But I really want to get a Honda Grom. Like, I want to get a motorcycle, so for when I come home, I can just rip that and have enjoyment. I've been seeing Groms everywhere lately, and I've always had a, like, you know, an infatuation with Groms. I absolutely love them. Like, they're the coolest little things. God, it is beautiful out. Turbo Saab, look at them. I'm feeling a little fourth gear. Dude, stupid dudes. I gotta chill. Sorry, residential neighborhoods, I know my car's loud. That fourth gear pull felt really good. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be the last video I make, like driving video with this car for a while. Just because I plan on keeping it parked and stuff. I don't really want to put the miles on it. And plus, like with trucking and everything, I'm not going to really drive it too much. So I want to get a little daily or something for when I come home on the weekends, like a little turd. So I'm not constantly putting the miles on this. it sucks, but like I want to keep the miles down, and I also, when the time is right, I do want to get a pair of slicks for this thing to try on the I want to bring this thing to the drag strip down in like South Carolina, so I think that'll be definitely some sweet content. But yeah, other than that, I want to keep the miles down. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, drop your comments down below, and subscribe.